सौन्दर्यलहरी मंत्रयंत्रः च नवग्रहस्तुतिः। भानुवासरम् जपाकुसुमसङ्काशं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं तमोरिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम्। I bow to Surya, who shines like Japa flower, who is the descendant of Kashyapa, who is resplendent, who is the enemy of darkness, and who destroys all sins. Taniyamsam pamsum tava charana panke ruhabhavam virinchihi sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi kathamapi sahasrena shirasam harasam kshudyainam bhajati bhasito dhulana vidhim. Gathering a tiny speck of dust from your feet, the Creator ever creates the worlds, the Protector them with 1,000 heads, the Destroyer destroying them to ashes, performs the rite of smearing his body. Induvasaram Monday Chandrastuti. दधिशङ्कतुषाराभं क्षीरोदार्णवसम्भवं नमामि शशिनं सोमं शम्भोर्मुकुटभूषणम्. I bow to the moon, who shines coolly like curds or a white shell, who arose from the ocean of milk, Soma, who is the ornament of Shiva's hair. Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yedi Bhavati Shaktaha Prabhavitum Nache Devam Devo Na Khalu Kushalaha Spanditumapi Atastvam Aradyam Harihara virinchadibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakrita punyaha prabhavati. If the auspicious one is united with his power, he is able to create. If he is not thus, he is not capable of stirring even. Hence, how can one without virtue prostrate or praise you, who is venerated by the deities of creation, protection, and destruction? Bhaumavasaram Tuesday Angarakastuti. Dharani garbha sambhutam विद्युत्कान्ति समप्रभं कुमारं शक्तिहस्तं तं मंगलं प्रणमाम्यहम्. I bow to Mangala, who is born of earth, who shines like lightning, who is called Kumara, and who holds in his hand the weapon called Shakti. तटिल्लेखा तन्वीं तपनशशि वैश्वानरमयीं निषण्णां षण्णामप्युपरि कमलानां तव कलां महापद्माटव्यां मृदित मलमायेन मनसा महान्तः पश्यन्तो दधति परमाह्लादलहरीम्. Great men who perceive by a mind free from sin and illusion your aspect as the Sadhakya Kala, seated in the great lotus forest, the Sahasrara, above the 6 lotuses, yogic chakras, and the granthis or knots, slender as a streak of lightning, of the nature of the sun, moon and fire, possess the wave of supreme joy. Saumyavasaram, Wednesday, Buddhastuti. Priyangukalikashyamam Rupena Pratimam Buddham Saumyam Saumya Gunopetam Tam Buddham Pranamamyaham. I bow to Buddha, who has the dark blue complexion like that of the bud of the Priyangu flower, who is beautiful, who is wise, who is the son of Soma, and who is very charitable and noble. Savitribhir vacham shashimani shilabhanga ruchibhihi vashinyadhyabhistvam sahajanani sanchintayati yaha sakarta kavyanam bhavati mahatam bhangi shubhakaihi vachobhir vagdevi vadana kamalamoda madhuraihi. O Mother, he who meditates on you, accompanied by your attendant powers, like Vashini and others, the generators of good words, beautiful like moon gems, becomes the author of great works of art, using expressions fragrant like the lotus face of the goddess of learning, resembling those of the great ones. Guruvasaram, Thursday, Gurustuti. Devanam cha rishinam cha gurum kanchana sannibham buddhibhutam trilokesham tam namami Brihaspatim. I bow to Guru, who is the Guru of Devas and Rishis, who is resplendent like gold, who is of the form of wisdom, and who is the Lord of the 3 worlds. Avidyanam Antastimira Mihira Dvipa Nagari Jadanam Chaitanya Stabaka Makaranda Srutijari Daridranam Chintamani Gunanika Janma Jaladhau Nimagnanam Damshtra Muraripo Varahasya Bhavati. O gracious one, you are the sun which dispels the darkness of the unlettered. You are the stream of consciousness for the unthinking ignorant. You are the all-giving Chintamani stone for the poor. To those drowned by the sea of births, you are the tusks of the boar, as in Vishnu's Varaha incarnation. Bhruguvasaram, Friday, Shukrastuti. Himakuntamrunalabham Daityanam Paramam Gurum सर्वशास्त्र प्रवक्तारं भार्गवं प्रणमाम्यहम्. I bow to Bhargava, who shines like snow, Kund flower and Mrinal flower, who is the Guru of the Asuras and who is the master teacher of all Shastras. Chaturbhihi Shri Kantaihi Shiva Yuvatibhihi Panchabhirapi Prabhinnabhihi Shambhor Navabhirapi Moola Prakritibihi Chatushchatvarimshad Vasudala Kalashratrivalaya Trirekhabhisardham Tava Sharanakonaha Parinataha. O Supreme Power, your angles of abode become 44 in number, with 4 wheels of auspiciousness, 5 different wheels of power, 9 basic roots of nature, and 3 encircling lines encasing 8 and 16 petals. This is the description of the Sri Chakra, the symbolic abode of the Supreme Power. Sthiravasaram, Saturday, Shanistuti. Neelanjana samabhasam Raviputram Yamagrajam Chayamartanda sambhutam Tam namami Shanaischaram. I bow to Shani, whose complexion is like shining dark blue collyrium, who is the son of Surya, who is elder brother of Yama, and who is born of Chaya. Tvaya hritva vamam vapura paritriptena manasa sharirartham shambhoraparamopi shanke hritamabhut yadetattvadrupam sakala marunabham trinayanam kuchabhyamanamram kutila shashi chudala makutam. Your form, bent by the weight of the breast, is all crimson, 3-eyed and crested. This, I feel, is due to your taking over the other half, being dissatisfied with the left half of the body of the Creator of bliss, already stolen by you. This verse highlights the oneness of Shiva and Shakti. Bhaumavasaram, Tuesday, Rahustuti. Ardhakayam Mahaviryam Chandraditya Vimardanam Simhika Garbhasambhutam Tam Rahum Pranamamyaham. I bow to Rahu, who has a half body, who is of extraordinary strength, who is the oppressor of the sun and moon, and who is born of Simhika. Virinchihi panchatvam vrajati harirapnoti viratim vinasham ki nasho bhajati dhanadoyati nidhanam vitandri mahendri vitatirapi sammilita drisha महासंहारेऽस्मिन् विहरति सति त्वत्पतिरसौ. O supremely chaste one, the Creator dies, the Protector dies, the Angel of Death dies, the Lord of Wealth dies. The ever wakeful cluster of gods close their eyes. In this great deluge, only your husband sports with you. Sthiravasaram, Saturday, Ketustuti. फलाशपुष्पसङ्काशं तारकाग्रहमस्तकं रौद्रं रौद्रात्मकं घोरं तं केतुं प्रणमाम्यहम्. I bow to Ketu, who shines like Pala's flower, who is foremost among the stars and planets, who is Raudra and whose form is fierce and fearful. Twadanyah panibhyam abhayavarado daivataganaha tvameka naivasi prakatita varabhitya bhinaya bhayat त्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि शरणावेव निपुणौ. All gods other than you grant boons by their hands. You alone differ. To protect from fear and grant fruits more than desired in all the worlds, O refuge, your feet alone are competent. Navagraha Stuti, Saundarya Lahari, Mantraha Samaptam.